The diagram shows a circle with centre O and radius 5. The points A, B and C lie on the circle, and the angles theta and phi are measured in radians. The sum of the areas of the sectors AOB and BOC is 22.5 centimeters squared. Show that theta plus phi equals 1.8. And given that the arc AB is 3.5 centimeters longer than the arc BC, find the values of theta and phi. So I've got the question here in summary form. So let's have a look at it here, shall we? The total area is what we're told. Now, what is the area of the sector of a circle? Well, first of all, the area of a whole circle is pi r squared. And if you were writing that as a proportion of 2 pi, you'd have to put a 2 pi over 2, wouldn't you? So that tells you what the area of a whole circle is. So from that, if we forget the formula, we can write down the area of a sector. So here, the area of the sector then, instead of it being 2 pi, it's going to be r squared theta over 2, isn't it, for that area? So r squared theta over 2, or half r squared theta, plus r squared phi over 2 is equal to 22.5 centimeters. So that tells us then r squared is 25 times theta plus 25 phi is equal to, it's both under 2, so times by 2 both sides, we get 45. So now what can we do? We divide by 25 then. So theta plus phi then, divided by 25 is 45 over 25, 9 over 5, which is 18 over 10, which is 1.8. Theta plus phi equals 1.8, that's part A. Part B, given the arc AB, now as far as the arc is concerned, arc length, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, isn't it? So from that we can infer what the length of an arc length is, because 2 pi is the full circle in radians. So part B then. So r theta is the arc length for the first sector, r phi is the arc length of the second. Now the arc length of the longer one is longer than the shorter one by a distance of 3.5, isn't it? So we can see that from the diagram. So the difference there must be minus, and that equals 3.5. So we see that 5 theta minus 5 phi equals 3.5. So that tells us that theta minus phi is 3.5 over 5, because we divide by 5, which is 7 over 10. So that's 0.7. So now we've got equation 1 here, we've got equation 2 here. If we add them, 1 plus 2, then the phi's will cancel each other out, the phi and the minus phi. We've got 2 theta, so 2 theta will equal the 1.8 plus the 0.7, which is 2.5. So that tells us that theta is equal to 1.25 radians. And then we can read off phi, because phi will equal, here we can put it in here, 1 gives, so we want phi is equal to 1.8, take away theta, minus 1.25, which is 0.55 radians. So theta is 1.25 radians, phi is 0.55 radians.